Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used this palette in such a long time and I'm really excited to use it again. I honestly thought they had discontinued the palette, but I guess not. I was wrong. So I'm back with more looks using the Modern Renaissance palette. Anyways, I'm going to be applying red ochre on my crease, and this is the only eyeshadow I'm going to be applying on my crease, and then I'm going to be cutting my crease and moving on to the next eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying red ochre and cypress umber on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm going to be applying this primer and topper liquid eyeshadow in the shade Lunar. This is by BECCA Cosmetics, and I'm using the Dusty Rose side first as primer, and then I'm going to be topping it off with the pink shimmer topper. I'm just applying a little bit of mascara because I'm going to be applying falsies, of course. Today I'm going to be using my BADDIE lashes in the style Extra. And for primer, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics and Jen Atkin setting spray. You could use this as a primer, as a setting spray. I usually use it for both, but it does smell really good. It smells like coconut and I love it. It really freshens up my skin. Next, I'm using my water jelly primer by Huda Beauty to prime my face, and I'm also using my Huda Beauty foundation stick in the shade Latte, and I'm blending it out with my Huda Beauty foundation brush. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Mercier Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo in the shade 3W, and I'm just applying it in the areas I apply concealer, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender and setting it with my Mercier translucent powder. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and for blush, I'm using this Kaja Play Bento Cream Bronzer Powder Blush and Highlighter Sculpting Trio, and I've been loving this little trio right here because it has everything. It has bronzer, blush, highlighter all in one, and I highly recommend these little trios because I'm so obsessed. By the way, the color or the shade I'm using is Cloud Latte. for lip liner, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Honey Beige. And for lipstick, I'm using the Bossy Browns lipstick in the shade Hustler by Huda Beauty as well. After that, this makeup tutorial is all completed. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy this prom makeup tutorial. Bye!